You're welcome to this channel. This movie is titled The God of Earth. Look at someone that called herself a god that was defeated by an ordinary magician that turned her and a member to stone. Some people agree with that because they are getting some magics and gimmicks just to, things of life. And they attended a church, but they will not last longer than 3 months. Why others disagree that God is too big to live on earth. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. She said she is the creator of the heaven and the earth. She has never slept lost number, and she has not been tired before. But you can see the outcome here and the behavior. If you remember, there are various people, even in the time of our Lord, that claim to be God, and up to tomorrow, people are still claiming to be. Maybe they found some secret powers and or some ancient secrets. But you can be sure that this movie is also full of some mysterious and powerful persons, even the young child and other people such as that magician and the rest of them. You will enjoy this movie, and it's also more of a comedy like.